Damn, this is rare. You're not the only one. What's up, everyone? Today's vlog is starting off super early. It's still yesterday, so... And I got hiccups, that's why I'm vlogging. People love my hiccups. Yeah.
Something over here got the shit all over the couch. A lot of crumbs. I can't help it.
It was Brandon. Oh my god, I hate them so much. What's up, everyone? It's the next day now. Brandon just waddled in the kitchen, looked down at his feet, and said, "Holy fuck, it's actually swollen."
That shit big as fuck, dude.
Oh my god.
That might be broke.
It's not broke if you're walking on it. It could be fractured. You need to get an x-ray for real.
I don't do x-rays.
Damn. We're watching Max and Ruby while we eat. I already ate pizza, and they're eating Wendy's chili.
Trying not to, I know it. Max and Ruby! I love Max and Ruby.
Angry Grandpa hates Max and Ruby.
He hates everything.
Got any chili sauce?
That's what I was looking for. I can't find
Ah, bugs! Ah!
Where did you throw my chili sauce away in here?
Yes, I did.
How dare you?
Yeah, why didn't you get more?
Sick, perverted freak eliminates all of the chili shit.
It was 15 years. The last clip, Brandon slapped my camera out of my freaking hand and it deleted the whole thing.
Sorry guys, it wasn't anything good anyways.
He's a piece of shit. I don't care that he wrecked.
Brittany throwing away some shit she's not supposed to throw away.
It was 15 years old.
15. I don't care if it's 25-year-old.
I don't
Hot
care
chili
if you
sauce.
wrecked. You
I'm a
fake. You're a fake.
Oh man, I got a bruise on my right knee too.
Fake. I'll hit you.
You up?
Fake. Play Skyrim. Those who haven't added me on Snapchat, I'm going to put some videos in to show you how interesting my Snapchat life is. It includes Mom.
So I can back up with my glasses on.
I got that on video.
Back up. Please.
Mom was 239 plus 3.
147.12.
Jesus Christ, what happened? Where's my... Oh my god, where's my mouth?
Eating chicken pies with my baby. Getting so high with my baby.
Mom, what are you trying to sing?
Don't record me!
What are you trying to sing?
I don't know, you know that song?
Trap Queen?
I don't guess.
Trap Queen, let it hit the bando.
Yeah, that one.
Really?
No.
And I get high with my baby. I be in the kitchen cooking pies. You were saying eating chicken pies and getting high. I just found these hilarious videos. One of is Turtle eating some shit, and then the other is Pris getting railed by the neighbor dog like 3 years ago. Watch this.
Loves dog poop. Mmm.
All turtles do.
Oh my god, he's munching.
I'm gonna get my hair cut.
We just got back from the dollar store and we bought pickles and they're both horrible. Wait, these aren't that bad, but these smell and taste like acid. Are you gonna get your money back?
For what? That?
Yeah.
Alright, see you then.
I'm just chilling in here with Brandon right now. We're talking about our business we're starting. I can't tell you guys yet, but I will soon. He's playing his game right now. Let's just say it involves cars. Yeah, cars. Hopefully we're successful if we can find the right car to do it with. The first one.
Brittany kills me.
Why?
That's just bright, man.
It's later now. We just got done playing pool. Mom's making salmon patties. And I'm going to cut potatoes to fry them.
I got stuck here.
Turn up. Selfie stick. Let it all go around. Alright, Todd's real hype now. We used to do this every night. get drunk every night of the year 2014 and 15. Now he's getting back to it. What is this? Am I supposed to know it?